This is the part I don't like about meal prepping. Like, who gonna come wash these dishes?
You can keep talking, just recognizing about that.
You're not putting love into the meal unless you're lighting a candle. Now, originally, I was gonna do the whole format of like, this is what I eat, this is what I got from the grocery store, and this is the macros and all those kinds of things. I'm just gonna be realistic here. I ate everything that I cooked. I definitely did. I'm proud of myself. I did not get fast food the past couple days, but this was really tough. Not so much the cooking, because I actually enjoyed that part. It's getting comfortable with the idea of eating the same thing every day. I just am having trouble with that. Everything I've read and everything I've kind of seen online and everything, it talks about the best way to be consistent with your meal and your eating and health and all that stuff is to meal prep and kind of eat the same thing every day, so you're not trying to figure out what you're gonna eat. And this really did help me stay focused, but it was tough.
I'm a little late for work, but I need to eat, and I know this isn't the safest way to do it, but I got 3 minutes before I gotta pull out of here, so I'm gonna do my best. This is actually really good. Because I like ketchup on my potatoes, that's the only thing I'm like kind of missing. I hope you enjoyed this realistic meal prep with me. I wish it could have been more aesthetically pleasing, but this is my real life, and this is how we meal prep. And this is how we eat when we're late for work and already been told we can't be late no more. And I apologize in advance for talking with my mouth full. I'll see you next time. Bye.